Welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn haystack query. What it is? In simple terms, think of it, you are searching for a needle in the haystack, searching for one record or maybe 10 records in billions of records. How do you optimize or tune those kind of queries? So let's start with the scenario and try to understand it. To help you understand that haystack query scenario, I have set up a notebook to demo this. Notebook is available in Scala and Python. I'll be using Python notebook for this demo. Tuning for haystack query. And let me connect my cluster, which I'll be using to benchmark this. But let's try to understand the problem statement. My team is working on a project and they want to decide a strategy for partitioning on a particular table, and they came up with the requirement or scenario to seek expert advice or some guidance on what should they do. So let's try to understand what is the ask here. We are working out the best strategy for creating a partition table. So basically they want to decide the structure of a table and they want to come up with the strategy for partitioning, right? Our analysis is to partition the table into year, month, day and hour fields. So they want to create 4 levels of partitions: year, then month, then day, then hour. That's it. That is the analysis. Why that analysis is? Definitely they might have done analysis that what kind of queries will be running on this table, and they realize that we will be filtering on year, we will be filtering on month, day, and even we will be filtering records on hour, right? So that's why they came up with the idea that these 4 fields are mostly used in the where condition in our queries, so we should be doing partitioning on these 4 fields. But my team is smart, they are well educated about the Spark, so they know. However, creating day and hour partitions might be an over partitioning, right, and cause a directory scan problem. We learned that in the earlier lecture. What is directory scan problem? My team is aware with that, so they are doubting that creating day and hour based partitioning may be an over partitioning strategy and it can negatively impact us because of the directory scan problem. So can we go ahead with year and month partitions only, leave the day and hour? However, we have the following questions. So if we go with the year and month partitioning only, we have some questions. Many of our queries will be reading data with day and hour filters, right? So how do we tune those queries? How will day and hour queries perform without day and hour partition? That's a genuine doubt, right? If you are not putting a partition on day and hour, your day and hour filter will not be pushed down to the storage layer. So how those queries will perform? How can we optimize day and hour filters without over partitioning?